Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create pages in Shopify. Let's get started. So let's head over first for now on an online store. And as you can see on my online store, I only have these pages right here on my store. So if I want to add another page, I just need to head over to my Shopify. Then in here, I should be able to see the option for pages. Click on this one. And then after that, you should be able to see the pages that you have. Now, if you want to add another page, just click on this add page right here, and then just put in here the title for your page. For me, I'll just add in here a terms and condition page. Now, I just need to input in here what you want added to your specific page. So for me, for example, I'll just make an actual listing or an actual content using the generation text. So I'll add this here, terms and conditions. But you can also input whatever you want. You don't need to use this particular tool. It'll just help me make this tutorial easier. So after that, it will generate some text for you. But if you didn't use it, you can just input in here or paste in here whatever you want added. Now, this is what it looks like for me. After that, save this progress. And then next thing you need to do, click on the navigation, then add this to your menu. Let's head over in here on our menu. And then let's click on this add menu item. Now let's see this terms and conditions. Then let's search for the terms and conditions. Click on this, click on add right here, and then save your progress. Once you have done that, head over to your store in here, then refresh this. And then it will take some time for this in order to show. But once it's done showing, you should be able to refresh your site. And as you can see, it's been added. So that's the whole process. If you have found it, like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.